In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jotform with HoneyBook. This process will allow you to seamlessly connect the two platforms, ensuring your data flows smoothly from form submissions into HoneyBook projects or contacts. So let's dive right in. First, you need to visit Zapier.com. If you're not familiar with Zapier, it's a platform that lets you automate workflows between different applications. Go ahead and log into your Zapier account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to sign up. It only takes a few minutes. Once you're in, the next step is to click on Create Zap. This is where the magic happens. A zap is essentially a blueprint for a task you want to automate. After clicking, you'll move on to selecting your trigger app. In this case, you'll choose Jotform. A trigger app is what starts your zap and gets the workflow moving. When prompted, select the New Submission option. This means that whenever a new submission comes through Jotform, it will trigger the zap. This step is crucial because it defines the data that will be sent to HoneyBook. Now it's time to connect your Jotform account. You'll need to grant access so Zapier can pull in your Jotform data. Once connected, you can select the specific form you want to use. This should be the form where you're gathering information that needs to end up in HoneyBook. Next, we move on to the Action app. Here, you'll choose HoneyBook. Your action is what you want to happen in response to the Jotform trigger. Depending on your needs, you can opt to either create project or create contact in HoneyBook. Both options will allow data to be imported directly into HoneyBook whenever a form is submitted in Jotform. You'll need to connect your HoneyBook account to Zapier, just like you did with Jotform. This step allows information to be transferred directly and securely into your HoneyBook account. Ensure you have your HoneyBook login credentials handy. After connecting both accounts, the next task is to match fields from Jotform to corresponding fields in HoneyBook. This could include matching names, emails, or any other data points you have collected in your form that need to be added to HoneyBook. To wrap things up, you will click on Test and Publish Zap. Testing ensures everything is working correctly and data is transferred accurately. Once a test is successful, publish your Zap. Now, whenever there's a new submission in Jotform, the data will automatically be sent to HoneyBook, which helps keep your workflow efficient and organized. There you have it. You've integrated Jotform with HoneyBook using Zapier. This integration should streamline your data entry process, saving you both time and effort. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.